For today's video, we are going to have a basic differentiation rules for derivatives, and we are going to explain in details how to find the derivative of a function. So let's start and let's have an example. On number 1, what is the derivative of x raised to n? If we are going to find the derivative of x raised to n, we are going to have n multiplied by x raised to n minus 1, and this will be our answer. And based on that formula, we are going to answer the following set of questions. So let's have number 2. What is the derivative of x squared? So as you can see, n is 2. We are going to have 2x raised to 2 minus 1. So this will be 2x raised to 1, or simply 2x, and this will be our answer. How about number 3? Derivative of x cubed. So let us have 3x raised to 3 minus 1. So our answer will be 3x squared. What about number 4? What is the derivative of x raised to 4? So n is 4. We are going to have now 4x raised to 4 minus 1. So this will be 4x cubed, and this will be our answer. So let's have number 5. What is the derivative of x? If we are going to find the derivative of x, as you can see, the exponent of x is 1. So n is 1. So this will be 1 times x raised to 1 minus 1. So this will be 1x raised to 0. And any number or any expression raised to 0 is always equal to 1. So therefore, the derivative of x is 1. On number 6, what is the derivative of 3x? So let us have 3, and then the derivative of x. We all know that the derivative of x is 1, so we are going to have 3 multiplied by 1, and the answer will be 3. What about number 7? What is the derivative of negative 5x? So let us have negative 5, and then the derivative of x, and that is 1. So we are going to have negative 5 times 1, that is negative 5. How about number 8? What is the derivative of 8? So the derivative of any constant is always equal to 0. So this will be our answer. What about number 9? What is the derivative of 9x squared? So to find the derivative of 9x squared, let us have 9, and then the derivative of x squared. So let us have 9 multiplied by 2x raised to 2 minus 1. So this will be 9 times 2x, and the derivative of 9x squared will be 18x, and this will be our answer. What about number 10? What is the derivative of 7x raised to 5? So this will be 7, and then the derivative of x raised to 5. So let us have 7 multiplied by the derivative of x raised to 5 will be 5x raised to 4, and this will be 7 times 5 is 35x raised to 4, and this will be our answer. What about number 11? What is the derivative of 4x raised to 5 plus 7x cubed minus 9x plus 5? So let us have 4, and then the derivative of x raised to 5 plus 7 derivative of x cubed minus 9 derivative of x plus derivative of 5. So let us have 4. The derivative of x raised to 5 will be 5x raised to 4 plus 7, and derivative of x cubed will be 3x squared. And then let us have 9. Derivative of x will be 1, and derivative of 5 is 0. So let us simplify. Let us have 4 times 5x raised to 4 will be 20x raised to 4. And then 7 times 3x squared will be 21x squared. And negative 9 times 1 is negative 9. And this will be our answer. On number 12, what is the derivative of square root of x? So to find the derivative of square root of x, let us rewrite this one into exponential form. So this will be derivative of x raised to 1/2. And then let us simplify. So n is 1/2. So this will be 1/2 x raised to 1/2 minus 1. So what are we going to do is 1 minus 2 is negative 1. And then copy the denominator, that is 2. And that's it. Let us simplify. Let us have 1 over 2. And then x raised to negative 1/2, we have to eliminate the negative sign. So we are going to have x on the denominator and raised to 1/2. So this will be 1 over 2 square root of x. And this will be our answer. On number 13, what is the derivative of 7th root of x squared? So again, let us write this one into exponential form. So this will be derivative of x raised to 2 over 7. So let us have 2 over 7 multiplied by x. 2 minus 7, that is negative 5. And copy the denominator 7. So we are going to have 2 over 7 x raised to negative 5 over 7. So let us simplify. Let us have 2 over 7. We have to eliminate the negative sign. So this will be x raised to 5 over 7. And then we are going to write this one into radical. So this will be 2 over 7 to the 7th root of x raised to 5. And this will be our answer. On number 14, let us have the derivative of 1 over x raised to 5. So to find the derivative of 1 over x raised to 5, we are going to have the derivative. We are going to have x raised to 5 into numerator. It will become x raised to negative 5. So as you can see, the value of n is negative 5. So let us have negative 5 x raised to negative 5 minus 1. So this will be negative 5 x raised to negative 5 minus 1 is negative 6. So our answer will be negative 5 over x raised to 6. And this will be our answer. On the set of examples from numbers 15 to 18, we are going to have the derivative of exponential function. And the derivative of exponential function, let's say, if we have derivative of e raised to u, and that is e raised to u multiplied by the derivative of u. And we are going to use that formula to answer the set of numbers from 15 to 18. On number 15, what is the derivative of e raised to x? So to find the derivative of e raised to x, let us have e raised to x, and the derivative of x is 1. So our answer will be e raised to x times 1 is e raised to x. And this will be our answer. What about number 16? What is the derivative of e raised to 7x? So let us have e raised to 7x, and the derivative of 7x will be 7. So our answer will be 7e raised to 7x. What about number 17? What is the derivative of e raised to 4x plus 3? So let us have e raised to 4x plus 3. So this will be the value of u. And the derivative of 4x will be 4. And the derivative of 3 will be 0. So this will be e raised to 4x plus 3 multiplied by 4 plus 0, that is 4. So our answer will be 4e raised to 4x plus 3. On number 18, what is the derivative of 5e raised to x squared? So let us have 5 derivative of e raised to x squared. So let us have 5. And the derivative of this one will be e raised to x squared. And the value of u is x squared. And the derivative of x squared will be 2x. So let us have 5 times 2x will be 10x e raised to x squared. And this will be our answer.